we give cow, we give other things. Never bring animals, I'm sorry. We bring animals, we don't bring both. One of the only cases in the Torah that a person has to bring is which? A person with leprosy. Why both? Why both? Any ladies, can you tell me why? You're supposed to relate to it. Why? Don't be offended. I said ladies. I said anyone. I said ladies. This is what I remember. Okay? Any ladies to answer the questions will get free breakfast for her and the husband. Open press, חודחת וחודה בושקו, ברוך השם, any way you want it. Open press, free, you and your husband, romantic breakfast. Any breakfast you want, sunny side up, sunny side down, Shakespeare with love, how do you call it, cappuccino, mochaccino, smoothie, whatever you want. Sponsored by Rochelle and his wife. I see that they're in a good mood.